Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Hudson here again. Today it's Christmas Day and we're going to be installing some new goodies on the F250 today. So, hope you guys had a Merry Christmas and hope you guys have a great holidays and a Happy New Year. So I'll show you, I already opened this part because, you know, I opened it on Christmas morning and wanted to see what they looked like. So instruction manual, pretty detailed with pictures it looks like. They have this very protective foam insulation in the packaging, and here's what we're going to be installing. So I'll bring the truck in here and I'll cut these open and we'll start installing the new tail lights on the truck. I think these will improve the look a whole lot, way better than the stock ones. I've always hated the stock ones, but that's what we do. We'll put this back and we'll bring the Ford in here. We'll let that warm up a bit. It's pretty cold. It hasn't been started in a while. She'll kick on to high idle soon, but listen, she's pretty cold. She just kicked in the high idle, and the exhaust back pressure valve's closed, so it's fucking loud. She's a loud one. She's cranky today. Holy. Crap, look at all the snow in the box here. I think I'm gonna have to take this tailgate off. How much room do we have here? Plenty. For starters, we're gonna take all the Christmas lights off. So I'm gonna use this good old bottle of soap and water, get all this tape off. Okay guys, we got all the Christmas lights off the truck. And I'll tell you, installing those Christmas lights and taking them off was not fun. It was kind of a bigger job than I thought it would have been, but I just have them all sitting on the floor for now. But anyways, let's get to unboxing these brand new tail lights. There they are. Dang, those are beautiful. LED up there. Whoo-wee. We use the factory reverse bulb. We are going to have to remove these headlights. So there's two, I believe these are 7mm. I'll double check on that. Two of these bolts here, and there's two clips on this side, which are a pain to get off. I've had these off before. Okay guys, I have determined it is an 8mm socket. So grab your 8mm, take those two bolts out if you're doing this on your truck, and then you're ready to fight the clips. Okay guys, I'll set you up on time lapse. I'll work on taking these out and taking these clips off. guys, I did get the taillight out, and these clips are really stiff, so it does sound like you're breaking it when you pull it out, but you aren't. It's fine. It's just these clips go in here like that. See there? They go into these plastic things, and you gotta undo these clips here on the back of the taillights with those little clips up there. Just pull them up and slide them out. But here's what we need. We need this bottom one here. Should be pretty simple. I think pretty sure you just twist it. Yep. As easy as that. Now we can do the other side. Okay guys, as you can see how quickly and easily these taillights were able to come out. So I found the easiest way is, well, first you gotta take these 8mm bolts out. I found the easiest way that the side will come off, right? Flip up. And then you just pull it from the bottom, get the bottom clip out first. And then put your hand up here and rip out this way. And I found that to be the easiest way. And I mean, of course, these come out easy, but really, all wasn't that bad. Like, I got this one out probably a minute. This one took me a while because I couldn't remember how to do that. Okay guys, I've never actually installed headlights or taillights before, but I'm gonna be honest with y'all, it seems pretty straightforward. This part is for the LED taillight. Since I have an LED taillight here, it plugs right into my brake light bulb socket. Then what I have to do is I have to remove this bulb socket like I have here, remove this reverse bulb, and should go right into there. Okay guys, it's time to put these taillights back in the truck as soon as we get these bulbs switched out. Okay guys, as you've seen, I put the bulbs into the new tail lights. So I think these are ready to get installed on the truck. I can't wait. Oh, it's gonna look so good. Okay guys, that's it for this install. I would say it's a pretty easy install. I took my time with it since this is the first set of headlights or taillights that I've ever done. I think they look good. They stick out a lot though. That's what I've noticed. But I don't really care, they look sick. Of course, I haven't really been able to put them to the test, much of a test, but they seem like they're pretty good quality, honestly. And the LED rings looks good. I would say those definitely are a whole lot brighter than factory for sure. Like, geez, those are pretty bright. I don't know guys, I love them. Okay, now we're gonna put the tailgate back on. Okay guys, that's going to be the end of this video here for today. And as always, thanks for watching. And make sure to subscribe if you like the content. Hit that notifications bell so that you get notified every time I post a video. And make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it. Hope you guys have a good night and happy holidays and happy new year.